Do you have a YouTube channel and your YouTube channel is not getting more and more views and you are very much tensed about it? Your channel is already monetized, but the thing is, your channel is not getting the audience retention. Why? Because you have chosen a wrong category. That means whenever you upload any content or you decide to make any content, the YouTube generally asks you what kind of content or what kind of thing you are uploading. So if you will choose the wrong category, that means what? The YouTube will show the same content to the wrong audience, and that will affect your audience retention. So in today's video, I will tell you 3 tips or 3 techniques through which you can increase your audience retention, vital audience, and more ads on your YouTube channel. So watch this video till the end, because half knowledge is dangerous for your YouTube channel. So the number 1, choose a correct category. For example, I am a gaming content creator and I love to play games and I love to stream that particular game on YouTube. But when I have to decide the category, I have chosen the tech. That means what? The YouTube will understand that this video is related to tech, and YouTube will send the videos to tech lovers, not for the gaming lovers. That means what? The audience retention will reduce. Why? Because if anybody is interested in technical things, first of all, he will not click on your video. Secondly, if he or she have accidentally clicked on your video will not going to work. Why? Because he or she is not might interested in your video because he wanted to watch something related to tech. That means you have chosen a wrong category and YouTube will show to a wrong audience. So choosing a correct category will give you the correct audience. Number 2, correct form of ads. First of all, if you have chosen a wrong category, so wrong type of ads will be displayed on your video, and that will affect your monetization, that will affect your earning. So choose a correct category so that the YouTube will target the correct audience and the audience can get the relatable ads through which you can earn more and more money. So correct form of choosing the category gives you the correct form of the audience, and correct form of audience gives you the correct form of ads which will be showed by YouTube on your channel. Number 3, better audience retention. This is very important. For example, if I'm a viewer and I want to watch any particular video and I have clicked on that particular video. Now the video is of 10 minutes and I'm not that interested in that particular video, so I will close that particular video. So choosing a wrong audience will affect the audience retention. If I'm interested in gaming, so I'll watch the whole game, whatever you have played it, either you have win it or you have lose it. So if I'm interested, I'll watch the whole video. But if I'm not that much interested in your video, so I will close that particular video. This will affect your audience retention. The more audience retention you will get, the more views you will get, the more watch time will be there, and you will earn more and more money. So not choosing a correct category of video will affect these things. So choose the correct category to promote your video and to choose correct form of audience. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.